All right, time for a track highlight. I know many people have already listened to the new EP that just dropped. If you haven't, you're going to want to check it out. But make sure you go listen to the song, How Many Times. I doubt that you've heard anything like this in a while. This song is really special to me. It's what the EP is named after. And it's this song of faith that feels like a loop. And how over and over again we can forget that we are forgiven children of God. We are redeemed. But yet, why do we keep falling into the same sin again? Or we hear God call us into something, but we would rather stay in our comfort bubble than actually move. So the song is, Lord, how many times will I forget that you forgave me? That spurs us into action. So go check this song out. You're going to like it.